Welcome back to the Forensics Unplugged channel, guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing video today, which is the second half of all of the, well, not all of them, but most of the products that I think I need for my up-and-coming tar and glue remover test. And I think some panel wipes. And I can't remember what else is in this delivery. But they had, this is from Elite Car Care, because they had all the other brands that, you know, I could get in one order. Just saves paying the shipping. So let's have a look at what we got. Oh, very nicely wrapped. I like it when they're all in bags like this, in case anything leaks. So we have, let's take them out of here. Hold on a second. Geom. Oh, come on, fingers. Geom Prep. So we're going to be comparing that with G-Technic panel wipe and Built Amber cleanser fluid and the Forensics Detailing homemade IPA mix, which is IPA, 99% proof IPA, but use about a quarter or 25% of that. 73% water and 2% Surfix. Actually, that seems to work really well. Really well as a panel wipe. I don't know if it's the Surfix giving it a little bit more poke. Now, we've got the old, what are these called? The soap cubes, the nuggets. What else is in here? It's really well packed, actually. Right. Just to save time, I've taken the rest of the products out of the box. So we also have Valet Pro citrus and tar glue remover. So it's got citrus in it. The interesting thing is, I always, whenever I hear the word citrus, I go looking for that word there, which you're not going to be able to see. It's D-limonene. I want D-limonene in my citrus. Why? We'll talk about that. I'll do another video on that. But those of you that know me and speak to me know about this, because I've been prattling on about it for a while. Always look for your D-limonene as an ingredient that's high up the list on any citrus product. We've got the AutoGlim tar and glue remover here. This is a milder one, guys. This product is milder. I've used it before and I know it works. The interesting thing, I keep using the word interesting, is that when I mention some of these other tar and glue removers, people report problems. If you use them on polycarbonates, they can attack it and crack the polycarbonate, make it shatter, like these micro cracks that you see running through them. They can melt the clear coat on the polycarbonates. They can haze up softer clear coats on cars if you leave them there. You have to be careful with these tar and glue removers. They're mineral spirits, they're naphtha, they're solvents, strong solvents that are designed to melt tar. So if you leave them on paintwork, they can mess up your paintwork. Now, this is the thing. Do you give people a very strong product, you know, a very strong product that's going to melt the tar quickly, but if you leave it or let it dry or don't handle it properly, it might have a higher increased chance of damage? Or do you give a gentle product that might require a little bit more working, so people might say, oh, it's not as good as this one, but it's safer? That's the thing that's got me going. And also, Al from AM Details was saying there's no spray with this. Yes, there's no spray trigger with this. 5 years ago, I had exactly the same question, and I said it to AutoGlim when I met them. Why is there no spray trigger with your tar and glue remover? They don't want you spraying it around because it's a hydrocarbon. They want you to dab it onto the cloth and then treat the area, you know, work on a little area at a time, or treat the cloth and wipe it over the surface, then wipe it off. If they put it in a sprayer, people are going to go hurling it around and putting overspray and not wiping it all off. That's the risk with tar and glue. Yes, if you're a professional, you might spray into the microfiber cloth, or you might manage the overspray a little bit better. But they sell to the mass market and they see the problems, you know, firsthand. So there's this, it's done for a reason is the short answer. And here we got the Geom tar and glue, which looks Looks fantastic, doesn't it? All these Geom products look amazing. So I'm looking forward to doing my panel wipe comparisons. So that's where we are, guys. I am a busy, busy boy. I've started the formal testing of this now. Excuse me. Once I've written down all my tables and gathered all the price information and done the field, I bought some bitumen and I've started poking around. Once I start formal testing, I can't really add more products. So an 8 is really all I can cope with. But if this is a popular video, we'll go again and I'll get some more in. There was a couple of brands that asked me if they could get their products in. I know their products are good. So hopefully we'll go again and get some more products in. This is going to be a great comparison. I'm thinking of sectioning off the hood of my Golf, polishing it all, leaving the polishing oils on there, degreasing with all different panel wipes, and just wiping one section with no panel wipe, applying a ceramic over the top, because the ceramic itself, the material won't get degraded by the detergent. It's the bond that we'll see. So the ones that don't bond properly will remove and come off when we wash the panel, hopefully. And we're going to see if there's any difference with all of these products. I'm gonna hazard a guess, and I don't like to do this, but my homebrew panel wipe seems to give me a monster bond. I was talking to Maz from Garage Therapy about this the other day, because prep is really important. And I've done videos where I said that I do believe in these products. That I believe they're superior to just buying IPA and water and a little bit of detergent. But I don't know, that Surfex seems to make a hell of a difference. And because I have quite a high level of IPA, about 25 to 30%, I think I get a good bond. So my guess is that there isn't going to be much difference between these and IPA in terms of the quality of my bond. There's a lot of people that disagree with me. I may be wrong. I don't know. I'm just guessing. And if my results tell me that these are better, then, you know, I will stock one of them. You know, stock in terms of, I mean, I'll have one. What else is going on, guys? I've got all these new Hybrid Solutions Pro products turned up from Turtle Wax in their kit. I'm doing a series of videos on those, so I'm going to gather. I'm just doing some, well, I've shot this morning on the main camera using my slider up there, some nice footage of the products, trying to get really good images, you know, that I can overlay in the video, which takes a little bit of time, but I enjoy doing that. I'm now going to be cleaning the car down to get the car inside to then use these products and test them out, which I'm looking forward to doing. After that, what else is coming? The training thing I was talking about. If you follow the Unplugged channel, and I did my 2021 announcements, the training looks like it's going to go ahead, which is fantastic. So, but I'll confirm it when it's confirmed. So hopefully, at some point within the next 3 months, you will be able to go and do detailing, a sort of detailing fundamentals course, which will have about 90 minutes of detailing footage. And of course, it's not going to be for everyone, which is fine. But those that want it, it will be there as an option, and it will be relatively affordable, which is really important. And it will be all structured, and it's designed to get you started from discovering detailing, and you might have hundreds of questions, to understanding the fundamentals of detailing, all the chemicals, all the processes, all the surfaces. We'll go through it. We'll go through it when the time comes. It's all in my head at the moment. I've got to get it out of my head onto paper, onto Word documents, structure it, and then start filming it. And it's a hell of a lot of work, but it's exciting work. And it's, you know, like I say, I'm a full-time YouTuber now. If my foot is not flat to the floor working hard, then I'm just not going to succeed. So I'm really glad, especially with lockdown kicking in, that I've got so much going on at the moment. And my motivation levels are high, which is great. I just can't wait for it to warm up again. So this is just a quick unboxing video, guys. Take care. Let me know what you want to see coming up in 2021. We will be doing a snow foam lance comparison video. I've got to buy up some more snow foam lance bottles and that, test a load of them, see what the difference is. I'm not sure. I think we already kind of know the answer to that, or I do, but I think there's a hunger for that one, so we'll do that one as well. We've got loads that we're going to do, so that's it. Take care. See you soon.